So some of the tools that are required to change out your anode rod will be a garden hose, the replacement anode rod itself, approximately $40, an 1/1/16 deep well socket, a 1/2 inch breaker bar, and a flat tip screwdriver. Now optionally, you can get an impact wrench. I highly recommend this on at least your first opportunity. Sometimes that anode rod is a little hard to get out. Also, you may want to be prepared to have a wash rag or a set of gloves, because sometimes that anode rod gets hot, and a couple pair of pliers, because you might have a hard time grabbing that hex nut at the end of the anode rod and grabbing hold of it so that you can pull it out of the tank.